Alex Bratton, the Chief Geek of LexTech here, to help share how to do a quick app demo or presentation using Zoom on the Apple Vision Pro, and also to talk through some of the limitations where maybe this isn't the best way to do that demo. So first, I have installed and launched the Zoom app on my Vision Pro. I'm connected into a Zoom meeting, and the user on the right there is myself on my Mac so that I can actually do the recording for this. The next thing I've done is in our toolbar here, you'll notice that red spot, that's screen sharing. So I am sharing my screen the same way I would off of an iPad, for example. I'm streaming the screen to Zoom, and Zoom is then sending it out into the meeting. Now, the first thing you'll note is you see the Zoom screen and a black background. You're not seeing my environment. You're also not seeing my physical hands, which are right here in front of me right now. Personally, that really bugs me. We'll come back to that. So the first thing to do to get rid of that black background is use the digital crown and dial in an environment. Let's let our participants actually see something other than just a black background. So we've got an environment dialed in now. Next, it's time to start presenting. And in this case, I have a keynote presentation that I have opened, put it into play mode. Something really important in Keynote is right next to the play button, there's a button to practice. And if you are practicing, it goes into a fully immersive mode. Any fully immersive app kills Zoom screen sharing. It will completely kill whatever you're trying to do. So you cannot demo a fully immersive app, and make sure you don't accidentally hit that button in Keynote. So again, I'm playing my presentation in Keynote. I can walk through it. I can lean in a little bit. Something else to recognize, we have to be really aware of our head movements. We have to pretend that we are that Steadicam. So as the presenter or someone who's sharing, you have got to be super smooth and just practice that a lot. And that's one of the reasons why I'm doing this standing up instead of sitting down. I talk with my hands, so my head's all over the place. So this helps me be conscious of that. So I've got my presentation. I'm clicking to move through the slides and having a conversation with folks, and occasionally looking back over here to the Zoom meeting so that I can engage with the audience and kind of see how, from their reactions, how things are going. Now, let's move from the presentation, and now let's shift over and let's say I'm doing an app demo. This is LexTech's Guided Works Platform Demo app, and I've showed this before, so this is my work instructions, what I've got going on. I can interact with that. In this case, I've already opened up a view showing the 3D engine that these instructions are for. I'm just going to pinch and rotate that engine here. And again, trying very hard to keep my head steady as I go through all of this. Coming back to the app, talking about what I'm doing, giving my demonstration very slowly, but keeping it clear. So again, very possible to do simple app demonstrations purely in Zoom on the Vision Pro, but it has limitations. You do not see the environment around you. You do not see your hands. And if you're trying to demonstrate an immersive app, it will not work. Next video coming up is how to do a much more full-fledged demo that looks awesome. Coming soon.